Hello ladies and gentlemen, those between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to Roel Carino's performances on today's episode of Eat Bulaga, Bulagaan University 2026.
Next group na tayo. Group number 3, Roel Carino, Domeng Albiola Jr., Ariel Manalo, and Marvic Soto.
Ayun. Junior ka pala.
Ba't ka kaya
Junior.
Junior? Yes, Marvic.
Ano, sumawa yan?
Wag.
Teacher natin.
Mabait akong teacher.
Teacher.
Mabait akong teacher.
By the way guys, their part is pretty long, so I might as well focus my reactions and commentary on Roel Carino's part. Okay, so please don't be upset if I caught this reaction video off later. Alright, so anyway, let's move on.
Ako may-ari ng university.
Oh, paano?
Sorry po.
One more. Siya yung may-ari ng university. Huwag kang ano dyan, Ma'am Alan K.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Mabait akong teacher.
Ako may-ari ng university.
Oh, paano?
Sorry po. Request mo na from online classmate Le Kuwa. Ala, request pang Jimmy Santos. Kwando?
Pan Jimmy Santos.
Oo. Ayun ang Jimmy Saints mo.
Domeng, halika rito. Luma yung request eh. Ikaw yun.
Ako, sige po. Ako.
Ano?
Akong bahala.
Kwando.
Tayo'y
Alam nyo guys, I just realized the other day na ang tigas ko pala mag-Tagalog. So parang when I listen to Mang Domeng speaking Tagalog, parang nanalamin ako. I remember in one of my previous reaction videos, I was like, boosting. Wala, bakit ko sinabing boosting? Ilonggo talaga ako. Kwando.
Oh, samahan mo, Manoro.
Pedro!
Ba't mo nilo samahan mo?
Yeah.
Sa gitna.
Ah, come on! Unfortunately, there's music background. I might as well pause the video for like a few seconds. All right, just to avoid dealing with copyright issues. I hope you guys understand. Galing! Hindi talaga nawawala yung mga ganyang galaw ni ni Mang Domeng.
Please don't make me wait again. When will you say yes to me?
Nakikisabay si Roel.
Tell me quando.
Ang old school ng dance.
Happiness to me.
You will happiness to me.
Oh, my love, please tell me when. Every morning.
Enjoy na enjoy yung mga oldies. Panahonan kasi namin to, kaya
Every day seems a lifetime.
so hindi memorize ni Roel yung song,
Let me show you the way.
or sadyang lang talaga yung boses ni Mang Domeng, very very strong, kaya hindi ko masyadong naririnig yung voice ni Roel.
Till the joy beyond compare. I can wait before.
Roel!
Tell me
Huwag kang patalo! Hindi ko masyado marinig yung voice ni Roel. Masyado kasing ginalingan ni ni Mang Domeng.
You say it's me that you adore. And then darling, tell me when.
Naririnig ko yung, I can hear Roel Carino's voice, pero masyadong malakas yung boses ni Mang Domeng.
Tell me when.
Oh, my darling, tell me when.
Oh, my darling, tell me when.
My darling, tell me when.
Miss Free,
Yung mukha niya yung mamahalan ko.
Eto na yung question nyo ngayon.
Ah, may question.
Meron pa.
Meron.
Okay na yun,
Meron
ma'am.
pa?
Hindi pwede. Tanong.
Sagot.
Gusto ko yun, hindi
Wala
pwede.
pa.
Wala pa rin
Tanong.
tanong. Wala pa rin sagot.
Wala pa rin
Okay.
sagot.
Ito pa lang yung tanong.
Ito pa lang yung sagot.
Ay, wala pa. Hindi ka dapat sumagot. Eto.
Ayan.
Wala kayo
Excuse me. Pinapawisan ako. By the way, guys, I gotta be completely honest. I haven't been well for the past few days. Ngayon parang okay na yung ano ko. Maybe that's because of the sudden switch of the weather. Like, biglang uulan, tapos iinit, biglang uulan, yun. Allergy.
sagot.
Ayan.
Eto.
Ayan.
Isa itong historic sanctuary sa Peru. Pero wala kasi yung ano eh. Tsari. Isa itong historic sanctuary sa Peru na idineklara ng UNESCO na World Heritage Site noong 1983. Ano ito na tinatawag ding Lost City of the Incas?
Pikachu!
Ano?
Pikachu.
Hindi.
Mali!
Mali, ma'am.
Machu Picchu, ma'am.
Yun, tama. Tayo'y map.
Machu Picchu.
Kailangan
Tayo
ka-
mag Machu Picchu. Machu
Sige,
Picchu.
umuwi ka na.
Hindi naman natin.
Ang grupo natin.
Ah, sige,
Umuwi
Ang
ka.
Gusto nyo yan eh.
Magawa project.
Ma'am, knock-knock po.
Do.
Who's there?
Machu Picchu po.
Machu Picchu. Kasi nag-adjust, hindi pa
Ewan ko nga ba? Kasi I think it's only in the Philippines na meron tayong parang kultura na instead of saying, excuse me, gumaganon tayo, oh. Na-notice ko yan. Kanina ko pa yan na-notice. But you know what? In the States or in other countries, hindi naman sila gumaganon. Sinasabi lang nila na, excuse me, ganyan lang. Ewan ko nga ba, bakit dito sa Pilipinas, ganun tayo, no? Ako nga, I'm trying my best not to do that. I just say, excuse me. I don't go. Gusto ko yun.
Go project.
Gusto ko yung paggagaya ni Ma'am Alan Kay.
Who's there?
Doon pa.
Machu Picchu po.
Machu Picchu. Kasi nag-adjust, hindi mag-adjust din ako. Machu Picchu.
Oh my God.
Happy anniversary.
What? Make it with you, Brad?
Happy Mother's Day.
Have you ever tried? We're reaching out for the other side.
I may be climbing on
Rainbows. Oh.
baby, here goes.
Naalala ko yung ex ko. It's funny because back in 2021, 2022, 2023, and even 2024, each time I listened to the song, I would cry. To those of you who don't know this, I was engaged. Kaso, things did not work for the two of us, and I decided to just stay here in the Philippines kasi hindi ko kayang iwanan yung nanay ko. Yes, that's the story. One of the reasons why we decided to break up mutually was that I was not 100% willing to leave my mother here in the Philippines. He's from New York, upstate New York, and yeah. So hindi siya nag-work. So now it's funny because I'm listening to the song and even singing along, and I don't feel anything. Well, maybe I feel a little bit, but it doesn't hurt at all anymore.
Dreams left for those who sleep.
Night.
Is for us to keep.
Ah, beautiful.
And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I want to Machu Picchu.
Ay, wow.
Say that we can make it, girl.
Ah, beautiful. I love this. I love.
Parang nahihiya ka sa ginawa mo.
Hindi,
Maganda naman.
siya na rin ang natawa doon sa ginawa.
Maganda naman.
Tawan-tawa siya.
Siya na ba may knock-knock?
Ay, hindi. Meron dito.
Alright guys, what do you think of this video? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.